Welcome! Today we're going to make chicken broccoli rice casserole. We're going to start with 1 cup to 2 cups of cooked, frozen, or fresh broccoli. And then we're going to make some rice. We want 1.25 cups of broth. Bring to a boil, put in 1.25 cups of instant rice, and we'll let that cook now for 5 minutes. After it boils, we'll put the lid on and set it off the heat. So we've got our broccoli set aside, our rice set aside. Now we need to work on getting the chicken made. So we're going to cut up 2 to 3 chicken breasts. These were pretty thin, so I used 3. Gonna get them in a little butter in a skillet and just cook them through. Gonna add some Italian seasoning, some salt, and pepper. We're going to get all of this chicken cooked. And then after we get that done, we're going to set this off of the heat. We're going to add our broccoli to the chicken. We're going to add 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of sour cream, a can of cream of chicken soup, and about 1 cup of cheese. I used cheddar. Then we're going to put the rice in, and we're going to stir it all up together. We're going to grease a 9x13 pan, and we're going to put the mixture in there. And just want to spread it out and get it all into an even layer. And we are going to put this in a 350-degree oven with covering of foil or a lid. We're going to cook that for 15 minutes. Then we're going to take the foil off. We're going to add some cheese. So we're just going to put about another cup of cheese on top. We're going to put this back in the oven. And we'll leave it in there for another 10 minutes till the cheese gets melted nicely. And here's what it looks like all done. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you next time. Bye.